everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you are returning, welcome back. Today I am going to be trying the gluing on press-ons with gel technique. This is obviously really popular right now with Apres and Chiara Sky. I don't have the Apres full kit, but I do have their tips, which is what I'm going to be using. So I am just preparing my nails as I would for any other extension. So I just started off by pushing back my cuticles. Now I'm just taking a fine sanding band with my e-file, and I'm just going to take off that shine off of my natural nails, making sure that all of the oils are off of it. I am next going to be using a drill bit by McCart, and I'm just going to use this again over my nails, making sure that all of that cuticle keratin that is left on my nails is off of my nail plate. This just assures that there will be no lifting, and it just makes the nails look much neater. Next, I'm just going to grab a cuticle nipper and clip off the cuticles. I usually don't have that many because I do my nails so often. So I'm next just going to get some alcohol, and I'm just going to dehydrate my nails. So I like using alcohol to dehydrate. You can use Swipe from Young Nails, or you can even use acetone if you would like to. I'm then just going to pull out my box. Today I decided to go with Square Short, and these are from Apres, and I'm just going to continue by sizing all of the fingers, just making sure that they are fitting sidewall to sidewall. So I do not have the full kit like I mentioned earlier, so I am going to be using a builder gel that I have had in my collection for a really long time, just because I really didn't want to go buy the whole kit if I'm just using it on myself. So it did work really good, and it just saved me a ton of money. Next, I'm just going to grab a cuticle bit again, and I'm just going to etch the back of the nails. This is again to assure that the nails adhere better to the gel. I am now going to grab a base coat. You can use any base gel coat you have. I'm just using one from American Nails, and I'm just going to apply that to all of my nails and pop that into the lamp. And we are now ready to stick on our extensions. So this is the gel I'm using. It is a pink IBD gel. It is a builder gel, which is what you want to use ideally. And even though it's pink, it's so sheer, it didn't really matter or show. And this is just the one I had on hand, and it worked super good, and it was super sturdy even after flash curing it for 10 seconds. So that's what I keep doing. I'm just going to flash cure in between every nail for 10 seconds, and then I will give it a full cure at the end of doing all 5 fingers, and then I will cure it for about 60 seconds and then move on to the next hand. So when I place the extension on my nail, I do start from the cuticle and I push it towards towards the top. This assures that, again, there's no air bubbles or anything, and honestly, this is my first time trying it with gel and I had no air bubbles in it, so it is a fairly easy process to do, super quick. And I would definitely recommend anyone who's a beginner to do this, or anyone who's short on time, or just something quick, because it worked super good. As you can see, they look so nice. So obviously these are pre-made tips, so they won't fit super nice and flush to everyone's nails. So I am going to grab a file and I am going to line it up to my sidewall and make it a lot more straighter, because they just kind of were wide looking, and I just like my nails to be very nice, tapered, straight from my sidewalls. So then I'm also going to grab this fine drill bit. It's a 5-in-1 drill bit, and it's super nice, and I'm just going to flush the cuticles. That way when they do grow out. There won't be any ledges or anything, which is super annoying because they get caught in your hair all the time. So I'm just going to do that and flush it down to my natural nail. Right, so next I'm just going to grab that same sanding band that I used in the beginning to prep my nails, and I'm just going to prep now these artificial nails for our gel polishes. You do want to make sure that you do buff out the surface of these because they're super shiny and super smooth. So the gel polish will lift and peel if you do not do this step. It is crucial to make sure that your nails enhancements are buffed and etched up before you do any gel polish. After you are done with buffing them all out or etching them all up, you do want to grab an alcohol wipe and wipe your nails clean and make them free of any dust, as that will interfere with the adhesion of the gel polishes. I am now going to grab a gel polish in a nude-ish color. It is a more pink toned nude, which I love using for French, which is what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to apply 2 coats of that on all of my nails and then cure. I am going to be doing a super neon yellow French with a gem accent nail, which I've been wanting to do for a really long time, so I thought it would be perfect for this set. Again, it's super nice here and sunny and warm outside now, and I just found that these nails looked super summery, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. So for my French, I'm going to be using D&D's Lemon Juice. It's a really pretty neon yellow. And how I like to do my French is I'm just going to dot a mark on the tip of my nail, making sure that it's centered, and then I'm going to connect 2 curving lines right there. And that's how I assure that my smile lines look really nice and deep and crisp. I like to have my smile lines very deep, and I like my French part to be a lot shorter. You can obviously adjust it to your liking. So if you want more yellow to show, then you can definitely obviously make more yellow show. So this is the easiest way I have found to do French on short nails. If you want a tutorial on how to do long French nails, please let me know in the comments below. Next, to apply my rhinestones or gems, I am using a builder gel. This is just a very thick, clear builder gel. And then I'm going to grab a no wipe top coat, making sure that the builder gel is not cured. And I'm just going to place a coat of that no wipe top coat on top. Now, without curing again, we are going to place our gems in that wet gel. This again just makes sure that when we cure our nails, our gel is going to be curing around the gems. This makes the gems so stuck on the nail, and you won't even have to top coat on top of the gems, making the shine go away. This makes my gems last for the whole time I have a set on. Even on my clients, when I use this technique, the gems are never off and they're always on, which is what you want. It's the most perfect combination I have found. You can obviously use whatever with whatever products you want, but this method is amazing for gems. I am also using some caviar beads in silver. I just think these make the whole look come together whenever I use gems. It's something that I like to use quite often in all of my gem placements, as it, again, like I said, makes it all come together. Once I am done with my gem placements, I am just going to top coat the rest of the nails. We do not have to top coat that nail because we've already applied the top coat underneath. And the last step to finish off my nails, I do apply cuticle oil all around my cuticles to make sure that I'm nourishing my nails all the time. that is all for this video. This was super easy to do, and I think anyone can do this no matter what your skills are. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!